I'm Robert Turcart and I'm the Brewing and New Product Development Technologist. So one half of the job role is technical support for our brewing customers, and then the other half is new product development. What we're mainly looking at here is the grain itself. How much does manipulating grain in a final beer recipe affect kind of the visual appearance and then that kind of the actual flavour as well. The main thing is just kind of ingredient manipulation and basically the opportunity to experiment without having to produce a huge commercial batch and find it wasn't very good and you've got to pour it down the drain essentially. So that's kind of the idea of we brew it with 1 hectolitre, see how it does, tweak it this way, tweak it that way until we get a product that they're happy with. They can just simply scale up that recipe and go with it from there. I mean, I'm always proud of the beer that I've made here. My background's a lot of craft IPAs and that kind of thing. We have done a lot of project work involving just malt extract in this room. So that's kind of things I can't tell you too much about because they're ongoing projects and they're top secret, but we have a lot of fun in here and favourite thing is just making a mess really.